Alright, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, 28th of September, video 2 of the wheel well slide replacement rubber. It's the one that was in front of the slide actually on the driver's side. Most of the diesel pushers are set up this way. Let me get some light on the situation here. There, I have a harder time doing that, don't I? Alright, so what we got, like I said, there was 8 rivets. I cut the rubber out like I showed you. I used a 1/4 inch rubber. Actually, yeah, that's 3/8. And a bunch of rivets. What I did a little different is, you can see I put a bigger washer on this side. The same and a bigger washer. The original washer's there. The other washer for the aluminum head I made a little bit bigger, and all of it's stainless steel. So now this is protected while I'm driving down the road when this shuts all the way. That'll hit right here up against it. That's it, folks. Not really much to talk about after that. I got to do that. That's what this is here for. I'm going to knock these rivets in right there. You can see them. There's a couple sticking out right down there. Right down there. Yeah, see them? Right there. So, a quick video. I'll show you. I put up in there. I was going to change the rubber out, but I just run out of gump. I got to put it together. This one ain't that bad, but I should have changed it. I will later once I organize everything again. I'm going to do these other seals right here, but they're in pretty good damn shape. But I'm going to do them anyway, right before I get on the road in 2 years. Alright. To help you a little bit, a lot of these gassers don't come with fender wells. So you can make makeshift your stuff, out of some plastic. You don't have to make them round. You just got to make them where they won't hit the tire when they turn and they stop splashing water all up in there, because some of you are getting waterlogged under there, don't even know it. I got a Thor Challenger back here, beautiful, full body paint, no stickers, no decals, but got water damage. I seen it ain't got any fender wells or no deflectors or nothing up under there. If I was keeping it, I would put them in there. Alright, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, quick video. Thank you for doing it, watching, subscribe, hit the like button, tell people about me. Don't forget, the Facebook page is heading to 34,000 one day members. And then I do other things. Don't forget, I got school here. I got a live-in, stay in while you get your RV repaired campground here. Yes, there's a cost, alright, but it ain't like, Mega Moo, 2 legs and an arm. Plus, if you want to help me while it's in the garage, then it'll be a lot cheaper in the long run. Alright, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're heading to Virginia Beach. We'll be there October 1st to October 7th or 8th, 2024. I'll be putting it on my Facebook page for you.